6257 pursuit. Eastbound Cedar Lake Road, approaching Hopkins Crossroads. Toyota Sienna 616, Lincoln Sam Nora.
Copy, emergency traffic on 312.
Still eastbound, speeds 80, just passing the middle school and going by Greenbrier. Saw one male occupant, appeared to be a mixed race male with a fro. I had him for speed, just tried to pit him. I didn't get the pit. We're going by Ford Road. I tried to stop him for speed. We're gonna miss 169 here. We're going, looks like on the exit wrong way 169. I'm gonna try to get him pitted out before he gets on. Not gonna happen. I'm terminating wrong way 169 southbound in the northbound lanes, and he is approaching Minnetonka Boulevard. He should have significant driver's side damage.
Copy, wrong way, southbound 169, significant driver's side damage. Over 165, still southbound.
Your incident has been updated.
6257. I'll try to get back up to see if I can get on the northbound side.
Delta 57, Mike Seltzer up to 169.
Your incident.
What kind of car are we looking for?
Toyota Sienna van, one male driver.
Okay, what was the color? And 6213, that vehicle showing stolen. Northbound and southbound, back on 169. Copy, northbound and the southbound, 1255. 606, he's still going wrong way, northbound in the southbound lane, going over Minnetonka Boulevard right now. This chase is terminated. Just keep an eye on it if you see it. Up the hill. Dispatch copy is terminated. Keep an eye on it. 1256. State Patrol has him. He's coming right towards your car on the right-hand shoulder, northbound, just over Minnetonka. Whoever's southbound. We're off on Jordan.
Your incident has been updated.
1619 crash. Cedar Lake and Jordan Avenue. Dispatch copy the crash, Cedar and Jordan. 1256.
Keep him up! Okay. Let's get him. Let's get him secured right now. Get it and check on the other people. Crawl out of the car. Get out the car, man. Let's go. Move. Come on. Come on.
I can't move.
You can move. You got out of the car. Move. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. This way. I got you covered.
No, sir. I just was doing.
Anybody got an update?
In a wheelchair.
Yes.
You're in there?
Okay. Yeah, it looks like
I'm missing a leg.
missing the leg. Okay.
My back is hurting.
All right. Back is hurting. All right. Okay. Where's it hurt? Where's it hurt,
My
man?
lower back.
Lower back hurts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Does that hurt? What does that hurt
Yes,
like?
sir.
Okay. How would it feel more? How would it feel better? On your back? Sitting on your back?
I'm cold.
You're cold. Okay.
Yes, sir. Please come in a police car. I'm freezing.
I don't want to hurt.
Roll over on your butt. Can we roll you over on your butt?
It hurts.
That way we can get you in the car, okay?
There. All right. Anything else hurt?
My lower back and my leg.
Your lower back and your leg.
Okay, we got it started yet or not?
It's freezing cold.
Just breathe. Just breathe, okay?
There's someone down there. Do they know that? There's another car down here he crashed into. I can't get down there.
Where did it go through?
In between. It went through the fence.
Oh, here's the fence.
Coordinate the pursuit. Or coordinate the perimeter, rather.
Everyone is supposed to have a car down in the
Driver? Yeah.
169.
All right, I can't. Where's the car? Right there. Here, if you push this out, I'm going to crawl down there and make contact.
Yeah, I mean, later, you know advice to get where it's at.
Northbound 169. Prior to the
Are you okay, ma'am?
You can't see it. It's underneath a tree. We're just about 300 yards south of Lake Road, northbound.
Ma'am, I'm with the police department. Are you okay? No? Okay.
Dispatch to 1613. 1613. K9 is en route. You want to check on the state police?
Cancel the K9 driver in custody. Start medic south 169.